Hi beautiful people, I'm Riyanka and you're watching the Riyanka Talkies. I'm very thankful that I have friends who are my subscribers and they really like to take advice from me about skincare and makeup, anything related to skin and hair and makeup. And I thought, why not make a video for them, a video where I'll show some very affordable and workable and good makeup products, and they are within 500-600 maximum. The range of the price of the makeup products, I mean, are within 500-600 rupees, and they are good. So today my video is about affordable makeup. Affordability is a very subjective word. What is affordable for me may not be affordable but for somebody else. Something can be affordable for me and yet be priced for 600-700, but that can be a bit costly for someone else too. So it is a very subjective word. The first thing that comes is primer. Like right now I don't have a primer with me, like a proper primer, so I am using the Abs Goodness Sandalwood face gel. I don't know why it is not focusing, because this is a phone and the focus is not very good, so I'll show a clip somewhere. So this is a very good product. If you are not into heavy primers, then you can use this as a primer. You can also use aloe vera gel, but if you're looking for a proper primer, then I would suggest you to buy the Wet n Wild primer, photo focus primer, or the Nykaa primer. Both are within 500 rupees and they are very good. I'll share all the links of the products that I am going to show over here in the video, in the description box, I mean. So yeah. Next thing is foundation. Well, there are many good foundations that range up till 1000 rupees, but if I have to suggest within 500 rupees, then I'll definitely tell you to buy, or I'll suggest you to buy the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I don't have it right now. The other thing that you can use instead of foundation is a CC cream or a BB cream. I have the Lakme CC cream over here. The shade is 01 beige, and this is not mine, this is my mom's. So you can use this. You can also use the Lakme foundation, like the very preliminary one. It's, I think, the very starting range of foundations in Lakme. The first concealer that I will suggest you is the Fit Me Maybelline's concealer. It is a very good concealer. I don't have it now, so I can't show you the sample, but I'll link it down somewhere. The concealer that I am using right now is from NY Bay. I have got it from Purple, and this is a very good concealer. This is within 250 rupees. Then comes Kajal. Like, Kajal is a girl's best friend. Kajal, Kohl, whatever you call it. I am using the NY Bay's The Big Apple of My Eye Kohl, and this is for 68 rupees. I got it for 68 rupees from Purple, and most of the affordable makeup products that I am showing are from Purple. You get all these brands only in Purple, I guess. Yeah, so I'll link it down, and it is for 60 rupees. And if you're looking for a good powder or compact and you are on a tight budget, then I will suggest you just go for a talcum powder to bake your face, because talcum powder just does the work very nicely and you don't really need anything else to set your face. So yeah, I can also suggest you a good sunblock powder. This one is my mom's, and I think most of the Bengali households, they do have this one, like especially aunties and moms, they do use this Kea Shade umbrella powder with SPF 25, so it is a very good one. You can use this as a sunblock, and even you can layer it up on your makeup as well. Compacts as well, like the Maybelline one, the Lakme one. I do have the Lakme one, but it is a very old one, so I'll show you in a bit. Yeah, this is my mother's. She has got a bindi over here, like she's like this. So yeah, this one's a very old one, the Natural Marble Radiance Compact. This one is from Lakme. Yeah, this one is from Lakme, so yeah, you can use this one. Let's talk about eyeshadow. Eyeshadow being my favorite makeup product. How can I not talk about it? So if you're talking about some very affordable eyeshadow palettes within 500-600, then the very first palette that comes to my mind is the Rose in the Air Wet n Wild palette. Yeah, Rose in the Air, and this is my favorite palette. Like, it is so useful, the shades are so good, so pigmented, and for the price it is a very good palette. I got it for 4.99, and if you're looking for a good quality eyeshadow palette that is very versatile, you can go for this. Now comes liner. For liner, I will suggest you to buy Lakme liner. The very first matte liner that Lakme ever made was this one, Lakme Insta liner. This is a very good. This is 115 rupees, and I have the blue one, but I had the black one before. I don't have it now. I right now use the Stay Quirky one, and you can see I don't have, you know, the markings because they have faded away, because I have used this product so much, so most of my products look so old right now because I have been using this for 1.5 years. Yeah, so this one is from Stay Quirky. This is within 200 rupees only, and this is a jet black liner that I am wearing, and it is a very good liner. So okay, so for contour I'm going to suggest a cream contour. This is from NYB, and NYB is a brand that you can find only in purple. This was for maybe within 299 rupees only, and this contour is a very good contour. I will suggest you to buy it if you are on a budget. Even if you're not on a budget, I still suggest you to buy it. If you are into cream contours, then please buy it. And I do double contouring, but I haven't done any contouring today, so yeah, I specifically do double contouring because I have a chubby face with no dimensions. So this one is a very good product. The next product that I will suggest you to buy, if you are looking for an affordable palette, and I will suggest you that buy a palette rather than single products, because then you save more money. If you want to buy a single blush, single bronzer or single highlighter, that will cost you much more than buying a palette. So this is the Faces Canada Ultime Pro Face Palette. It has got a bronzer, a blusher and a highlighter, and it is priced for rupees 8.99. And if you buy all these things in single form, then they will cost you each for 400 to 500 rupees. So you will actually have to spend more. Over here you are getting 3 products for 8.99 rupees. So save up some money and buy this palette if you want to. This is a very good palette, and I have used the blush. Comes lipsticks. Like, I have so many affordable and good lipsticks from good brands. So yeah, you know, affordable lipsticks. The very first thing affordable lipstick that comes to my mind is the Maybelline one, and the shade is Divine Wine. I also love the shade Touch of Spice. I also have that shade. These lipsticks are so good. I love these lipsticks. Then these are for 2.99 rupees. And then comes Faces Canada lipsticks. These are Faces Canada Bullet lipsticks. They are also for 2.99 rupees. I am wearing the Faces Canada lipstick right now. I have many lipsticks from Faces Canada. They are so good. Now comes mascara, and if you want a good mascara that will show up on your eyelashes and that will curl and elongate your eyelashes, then you can go for the Bella Voste High Definition Mascara. This is also from Purple, and Bella Voste is a good brand. It's from Purple. So yeah, recently I'm using this one. This is for 2.99, I guess. I don't exactly remember the price, but I'll leave the link down, then you can see the price for yourself, and it is a very good and affordable one. So these are all the affordable makeup products that I had and that I actually use personally. So that is the reason why I'm suggesting you that you should also use it if you are on a budget and if you want to try some affordable things. It is always not necessary to spend huge amount of money to look good, because there are some good affordable products that are good on your skin and that are actually effective and just do the work perfectly. So yeah, I will be bringing affordable stuffs to you so that you can benefit from them. And if you liked this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. What are you guys doing? You're not even subscribing to my channel. Like 60% of you are not subscribed to my channel. Please show some love, please. So now I'll take your leave, and I hope that I have been helpful to you, and keep on loving me. I love you in return. Take good care of yourself. Bye bye.